pretty well done with the lesson. This one is a good sentence. The train had arrived before he reached the station. Kind of a sad scenario. The train had arrived before he reached the station. Hopefully it didn't leave before he got on the desired train. Yes, Michelle, I am going to pin your comment. Let's see. English has an exception for every rule. English is a rub ball. Very good. All right. Well, Irish, have you been practicing any of the hollow carols?
I started practicing Oh Hollow Night. But I don't know how I'm going to perform it.
I love the lyrics for that song. I mean, it's very slow, but it's got meaningful lyrics. It's a fun one. I hope you do it, and I hope you win a hollow T-shirt.
I want both, like the hoodie and the t-shirt. Really.
Let's see. Make sure I write these notes on what to teach, and then this one is good. Okay, she had performed works by Mozart and Chopin. So she's a musician. She had performed works by such and such composers. And she will, she's done it in the past. Will she continue in the future? Yes, she possibly could. Okay. Oh, Abdullah. Awesome. Another high five from me. If I had known about hollow, I would have used it a long time ago. Excellent. Very good. All right. Very impressed with you. A level 11. 32 followers. Everybody follow Abdallah. Abdallah, I challenge you to put more on your profile. So, and Irish, you have a compliment from Marwan in Morocco. Says you're looking good today.
Thank you.
Abdallah's only been using hollow for 2 weeks. Interesting. Okay. And I am so poor at maps or flags of the country. Where are you from, Abdallah? Where are you living? Yes. We have Garby here. Welcome. All right. Well, I am done with my lesson unless someone has a question for me. It's a German flag. Okay. Oh, Abdallah, West Africa, Mali. Leone, one of my subscribers, is also from Mali. He's now in southern Italy. Welcome. It is the German flag. Okay. I have a good friend in Munich. He's in trouble, though, because when I was in Austria in 2018, he did not take the speed train to come meet myself and my husband. So he's in trouble. Yasir, let's see. Mohammed said, what's up? Okay. Anything else for me, Irish or Joanna, before I say goodbye and end the live stream?
Thank you for this simple but very important topic or discussion. And you have a wonderful day today.
Thank you. That's a very kind wish. It's difficult in English when we're using the past tense, especially if it's something that you're possibly going to do again. You want to say, I have explored, or just say, I explored the website. I read the website. I've looked at the website. Anyway, thank you for Mohsin, and I'm going to try to do more grammar. It's good for me. Helps me better learn my own language. So,
Same here.
oh, you're most welcome, Joanna, and I look forward to our private lesson again this evening. So fun to see your face. And I appreciate all of you that joined me today on camera. Marwan is a liar. Who is a liar? No negative energy allowed in my live streams, or you will get a punishment of some kind. All right. Who is a liar? Do you want to explain that one more? Oh, Michelle said we love grammar. It's just so difficult because most native speakers do not know how to label all those tenses, and that's why in the beginning I had Hamachi read 6 of the common tenses, because I needed the review. And when I do make a correction, I like to explain the why, but as Michelle stated, English is a rebel. No problem, Marwan. I like men of science. I like men that know how to do things. Even though motorcycles scare me to death, I'm grateful that there are men that like things with speed. And there is nothing more exciting than have on a summer's day and have wind blowing on you. It's a thrill. So for that, I just roll my car windows down. And then again, English is going to have to evolve because none of our cars have the old-fashioned handles where we actually rolled the window down. Mohammed says, I get embarrassed when my comment is ignored. Abdallah says, I want to be able to speak English the way Americans speak it and not the way it's written in the books. So then again, music, YouTube videos. We have several American teachers here on Hollow. Join them and listen. Okay. Himanshi, how can you say that? Is that the right Himanshi? You have excellent English. I will admit that I'm not good at English. Okay. The love is contagious, and we love to feel love. Okay. All right. Should I find a wonderful quote to read before we end the live stream? Yosef says, teacher, you have in the pronunciation very well in the grammar. Well, I hope you understood the lesson. The difference between using have and has depends on the pronouns you're using. And then had helps us with the past. Except when you're negating has, it becomes doesn't have. Yes, please, Mohammed. Spend $5 US, and that gives you 500 coins now, and then you can subscribe to me for 400. Fortunately, June has finally figured out how to bypass spending $2 with either Google or Apple, and now Hollow can benefit from $1 per subscription, and let's leave money out of it. He who lists the price first usually loses, right? But it has been an improvement. Okay, so this is from Philippians 1:11. This is from the New Testament. It says, "Not that I speak in respect of want, for I have learned in whatsoever state I am in, therewith to be content." So that's my thought. Happiness comes from within, and we don't have to have all the material things in the world to be happy. Although I wish Irish could get a better headset soon so we can hear her lovely voice more strongly. Anyway, thank you all for joining me today, and my next confirmed live stream will be Saturday Stories. Irish is happy, and she is beautiful. You're welcome, Himanshi. Thanks for subscribing and joining. And nice to have Marwin be part of the jewels. We are the most precious gems on Olive Hollow. Take care, everyone, and have a good evening. Good rest to all of you in Southeast Asia. And good night to you, John. I know it's late in China. Have a good rest. Bye-bye.